Hello, my name is Mark Brickley, and I am representing Group 1 in EDL 655. The problem that we identified was that there's not enough support for teachers when it comes to technology implementation. And the prototype we are presenting is that of creating a role in all schools of the educational technology specialist. So the basic job overview is the educational technology specialist is supposed to be a resource for staff as they develop their skills of integrating technology within the classroom. The biggest issue related to staff development we've noticed is that it's not continuous, and this provides a continuous source of training and resources and support for teachers looking to expand technology within their classroom. The benefits of this position for the actual educational technology specialist is it would count as a .2 salary leadership position. They have the opportunity to develop their own technological skills. Oftentimes you learn more by teaching others. It allows you to promote technology integration at all of our schools, and it will improve the education overall of all students because they'll be able to begin to develop those 21st century skills. And it allows the specialist to expand their own zone of influence far beyond their own classroom and begin positively impacting other classrooms. The responsibilities and duties of the educational technology specialist is that they are expected to provide professional development in technology at least once a month for teaching staff. This is often done in PLCs, either by subject or by grade level. They provide classroom observations for teachers once a month, and they create tiered professional developments for teachers with different technological abilities because everyone comes to the table at a different place. Someone might already mostly be paperless where another person might not have even opened up the school-issued laptop, and they're going to be in two very different places, and it's the duty of the specialist to be able to assist both individuals. Additional responsibilities and duties that they'll also provide follow-up support for teachers for technology professional developments as well as next steps. They'll maintain current knowledge of technology and instructional practices that relate to the use of technology, and they'll assist in the development and implementation of technology professional development beyond just their own PLC, but also in specific days before the school year starts and during breaks that teachers can attend to continue to develop their own personal skills. What we are looking for in this position, the educational technology specialist must have a bachelor's degree related to the field of education, although we would prefer a master's degree. They have to have at least 5 years of teaching experience in the classroom, an understanding of the following apps and as they relate to education, being the Google apps for education, Classroom, Drive, Docs, Slides, and any others that relate to the Google Suite. And they must be familiar with the paperless classroom model. So if you are interested in this position, one of the first steps to show us that you are comfortable with technology is to actually apply online. So in order to receive the Google Form application, we are expecting you to reach out to us via email. If you have any questions, you can also reach out to us via email. That is the presentation on the Educational Technology Specialist prototype, and we are open to feedback. Thank you very much.